Hey guys, I'm back from Toy Collectors, and today I'm going to show you the new Beanie Boo toys from McDonald's. So let's get to that. Ooh, his name is Peanuts, and he's Beanie Boos from the Beanie Boos, Teenie Beanie Boos, and he's orange with green, with really pretty shiny eyes and green shiny ears. Let's open it. This paper with all of the names. This one's coconut, and that one's also coconut. This one spells, there's two, I think there's two of each, of everything, and different colors. Oh yes, her eyes are green. She's very cute with her little nose, and she's squishy, and her ears are really big. Spin her around. And her name is Peanuts. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe our videos. Bye!